Okay, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a organise all of my foundations, declutter, and yeah, just get some organisation in because this is just kind of got out of hand. I do have a lot of makeup sent to me on a daily basis, so you can imagine this is not all been bought. A lot of it is PR. I will explain to you guys what's PR. But yeah, let's get on to it. So the first thing I have is Maybelline 30 Hour Lumi Matte Foundation. This I don't think is probably ever going to be my shade. It's really, really pale. But it is something that I can mix into another foundation. I don't know. I'm not quite sure on that one yet. This is pretty new. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Skin Tint in the shade 40. This is one of my favourite products. Then I have this one. This needs to go in my project pan. This is again, the same thing, but that could really do with going in a project pan because it needs using up. Then I have the Miracle Pure Skin Reset. This was sent to me in PR, but this is not my shade. So I'm going to declutter this one because I'm never going to use it. Then I have Urban Decay Face Bond. This is one of my favourite foundations, actually. This is brilliant. This is the shade Light Medium. I love that stuff. Then I have another favourite. This is the Lancome Skin Tint. Love that. I have the Rare Beauty Foundation. I never pick this up. I wasn't wowed by it, but I'm keeping it because it was PR. It means a lot when I got that PR package. Revolution Skin Silk is one of the best foundations. This is F3. I love that. Again, this one, not my shade. I am going to declutter. Then I have two of the Milk Hydro Grip Gel Tints. Both of these are my shades, so I'm keeping them. They are pretty new. They were sent to me by the brand. Then I've got the Wonder Glow. These are I have included the glowy complexion products as well. This is the Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. But sometimes I use this as a foundation and add a bit of concealer. I love this stuff, but I'm actually going to move that. I'm going to move that into the primers because that's more of a primer, isn't it? This is new. I haven't got around to trying it. The NYX Bear With Me Blur Foundation. I need to put that in my basket for TikTok and new stuff I need to try. Okay, then we have the Filter Collection Filter Finish. That's really good. It's a fave. This is my personal fave multitasker. Love that. The Flawless Filter I'm going to put in a project pan because, again, I don't really grab it. The Say Super Gel. I love that stuff. That's a glowy product. The Say Foundation. I've lost the lid, so I could probably say goodbye to that. The Tropic CC Cream I haven't even tried, so that needs to go in my basket for TikTok. Elf Halo Glow Liquid Filters. This one is more of my shade. This one is a bit darker, but when I'm tanned, I know I could get something out of that. But I haven't used that one, so yeah, I'm going to keep them. And then we have 6 IT Cosmetics foundations. CC Plus, CC Nude Glows. We have 6 of them. So I personally will keep them because I use them and they're just backups, really. They were all sent to me. I'm very lucky to have got all of them. This is my personal favourite, the Nude Glow. But this is really, really good as well. They're all really good. And then I've got the Beautiful Skin Foundation, Charlotte Tilbury's, which is another great product. So yeah, they are the products. They need organising. I'm actually going to put them in a kind of basket-y thing that I bought. So I will show you that. So the plan is, ignore all this, is for me to try and get as many as I can in here. So I'm going to start off with the It Cosmetics. I'm going to try and go down this way. I feel like I could get quite a few in here. Just don't know if I need them all, you know? I don't know. I feel like I will use them. And then I'm going to put the Beautiful Skin foundation in. Rare Beauty. I'm trying to just think of like the ones that are quite big. Elf Halo Glow. Let's get the Milks. They can go in there because they're quite small. And then the Urban Decays probably could literally easily slide down the back there. And the Lancome, that could easily slide in somehow. And I don't have enough room. So I'm going to take all of this out, which are like lip glosses, which we need to go through in the next video, really. I'm going to film like a full series of organising my makeup collection. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe because you will thoroughly enjoy all this. If this is your kind of watch when you're doing your washing up, I love watching videos like this. Okay, so I'm going to put my Say Rimmel Multitasker, Filter Finish, Super Stay, Skin Tint, Flawless Filter could sit up on there. This needs to go in a basket and this needs to go in a basket. So we've done it. We have done it. Oh, wait, what have I missed? No, we haven't. And then we've got the Elf Halo Glow and the Skin Silk. So we've got it. 2 baskets and I've got all my foundations in there. I'm going to take all of this out and do primers next, but that is my foundations now organised. I hope you enjoyed. This one's going in the bin. All of them are being decluttered out of my collection. I hope you enjoyed. Next, I'm going to do primers.